Hello and welcome to the Mind IDE channel for another in the social media math series where we take a look at social media math problems and solve them so that you can show your family and friends that you're the genius you've always said you are. All right, so this is actually a pretty simple problem as long as you can remember some of your trigonometry. So if we have a straight line, and this is x, and this is 100 degrees. Any straight line here will need to add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, x equals 180 minus 100, which is 80. We have x and x, which are both going to equal the same. So we have 2x plus y, which needs to equal a triangle equals 180 degrees as well. So 2x plus y is 2 times 80 plus y equals 180. Therefore, if we minus 2 times 80 from both sides, we get 20. So that is the answer. Therefore, what is that? D is the correct answer. And yeah, so D is the correct answer. And that means that this triangle here is not drawn accurately or drawn to scale. It's maybe they took some artistic liberties, or it's just to throw you off, because 20 degrees would look not like that. This is drawn more like an equilateral triangle, but 20 would be, I don't know, somewhere much sharper anyway. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be posting a bunch of different math as well as physics and engineering, coding, just basically anything that is of interest to us as we go along. Definitely let me know down in the comments what else you'd like to see. But until next time, take care.